Hello everybody, welcome back to C&S Corvettes in beautiful sunny Sarasota, Florida. It's your Corvette buddy Lyle here to talk to you about more interesting, exciting, and hopefully helpful Corvette stuff. Today we're going to cover a topic that everybody who drives a car, especially everybody who drives a Corvette, needs to know about, and that's talking about brake pads. Throughout the years, there have been a lot of different kinds of brake pads on American cars, and we're just going to stick with American cars because we're dealing with Corvettes, right? So back in the 30s, 20s, 40s, 50s even, all brake pads were organic, and they were made mostly of asbestos, which obviously they figured out wasn't such a good thing later on. So now organic stuff is no longer containing asbestos, but organic pads are fine for, like, if you just drive a car to get to work and go home, or you go to the grocery store, or you go to visit grandma, that's fine. Organic pads are not performance brake pads. So other than mentioning that they exist and that they're one of the three kinds, we're not going to talk about organics. When we're talking Corvette, we're going to talk about either ceramic pads or semi-metallic / metallic pads. Let's start with ceramic, shall we? For the Corvette owners that we service here, I feel that ceramic pads are the best option. Here's why. The customers I have here tend to drive their cars like regular cars, maybe a little sporting driving, but usually they take it easy. You know, my demographic here tends to be a little older, being in South Florida, and they tend to use their cars as pleasure cruisers more than hard driving sports cars. Ceramic pads are really great for that kind of driving. They're perfect in all conditions. The pros to ceramics are they're very, very quiet. They tend not to squeak ever. The bigger part, especially for Corvette people who are very concerned about the appearance of their car, the ceramic brake pads are very low dust. They're easier on the rotors. They've got a very smooth feel. Ceramic pads don't have that hard bite of, say, more track-focused or performance pads. They're very, very natural feeling. There's the application of the brakes, everything is very, very organic, even though they're not organic pads. But ceramic pads are great for everyday drivers and for occasional, fast drives out in the country. Semi-metallic pads are kind of the middle ground when it comes to brake pads. The pros of a semi-metallic pad are that they have a stronger initial bite when you stab the brake pedal than ceramic pads do, which is nice in a panic stop or in sporting driving conditions. They also have a very good heat range, which is solid for spirited driving. They tend to disperse and lose heat more quickly than the ceramics do. The cons are they can be louder, they can squeak, especially because of the other con, they make a lot of dust. Whenever you see somebody with a really dirty wheel driving down the road, it's usually because they're using semi-metallic pads. And that dust can get in between the pads, the rotors, and other moving bits in the calipers and stuff, and cause just like a harmonic vibration, which is that squeal you hear. They are best for Corvette owners who mix street driving with serious weekend fun, maybe even light track days. If you're driving your Corvette like a sports car, I highly recommend the semi-metallic pads. As an offshoot of the semi-metallic pads, for those of you who are doing serious track days or even doing racing, metallic pads are the way to go. Full metallic. They are maximum performance. The pros of these pads is they have huge stopping power. They work best when they're really, really hot. So when you're on a race course and you're pushing the car hard, you maintain the heat in the brakes, and they actually work better when hot instead of fading out. The cons are they are extremely noisy. If you guys ever watch any like endurance racing or GT3 racing, even when the cars are going through the pits, you can hear the brakes squeaking, and it's a terrible noise, but it's part and parcel of what makes them work. They make a lot of dust. There's no such thing as a track day car or a race car with clean wheels, and they wear the rotors really quickly because they're such an aggressive compound. So you will go through rotors faster, but if you're going out and you're doing regular track days or you're racing your car, this is not news to you because you know you're going to go through pads and rotors and tires like crazy. This is really best for track-only Corvettes or for serious racing. They are not practical for daily use. They are far too grippy and far too annoying with the noise to be used on a daily basis. Now, on my car, because I drive my car very gently, ceramic pads are fine. If I was going to do a track day, I'd get some aggressive semi-metallics, put them on, double check that my rotors aren't lipped and they're not cracked and they're in good condition, and I'd go. But if I was going to start doing track days once or twice a month where I was at the track for 2 days straight with about 8 hours on track pushing hard, I'd definitely be using metallic pads. Hopefully that gives you some idea of the level of where you would be at in your driving habits. I hope you found this informative. If you have comments about experiences you've had going between different brakes, let me know. Put them in the comments below. And I look forward to seeing what you guys do on your car and what you're more comfortable with. Have a great day.